G'day, I'm Happy Dave and I'm sitting in my apartment / my YouTube studio. Now, I've just flown in from Chiang Mai about a week ago. I'm here in Brisbane and I live between the two countries, 6 months there, 6 months here. And whenever I'm traveling and I have my YouTube studio, I'm bringing my stream decks, my lights, my computer, and a couple of other bits and bobs, but I only bring about 15 kilos worth of equipment. And one of the things I don't bring with me is a green screen. So today, what I thought I'd do is build a DIY green screen. It's essentially going to take us about 10 minutes to do. Then at the end, I'll be able to create my intros and my outros using B-roll from the video I've just done a tutorial on and have it show up behind me in the video. I had a look at the area that I've got behind me. How do I do something that's portable? I looked at this little hook up here and I thought maybe I could get a drawdown green screen, but the problem I've had with all of them is they're pretty expensive and I've got to be careful that I don't damage the house. I thought what I really need is a green screen that's only about this high and wide enough so that when I'm sitting in front of the microphone and the screen, it just captures me. And I'm going to do this for all my intros. So currently when I do an intro, I'll be talking to the camera like this, and behind me will be screenshots from whatever I was doing in the video or screenshots that I've created using Leonardo AI. Gone and bought this packing box. It's a packing box for a bike. And the good thing about it is it's fairly light. When I put it on its side, it's about the height that I need for a green screen, and it's definitely the width I need for a green screen. So the next thing I did was I went to the local material shop and I bought a little bit of green screen material. Now, this particular material I bought is 1.2 meters by 1.5 meters. So I guess that's about 3 or 4 foot by about 5 foot. And what I'd like to do today is mount it onto this box, and I'm going to use spatels to do this. And then what we'll do is we'll put it up behind me whenever I need to do some recording. I know I need to be able to carry this, so I'm just going to put a handle into the box. Now I've got this handle that I can hold. Same thing at the other end. So we've got our green screen. Let's go and put it into position. So I'm in Brisbane and it's just come down hard with the rain. Luckily, we got the green screen done just before the rain came down. So we had the green screen set up behind us right here. Now we don't need to take the whole frame. The main goal here is that the body, the talking head, is covered by the green screen. So let's see it in action. So what we can do in something like Ecamm Live and here with Jim is we can just click on this green screen and the image that I've got showing over here now shows in behind. Now, one of the things you can see, there's a little bit of a shadow going on from Jin's head. But what I'll do later on is put some lights behind me just to light up the background, and green screen just showing normally or with an image behind it. And all I need to do is make sure I'm in position enough that I'm covered. And the good thing is that was only $15. I'm Happy Dave. See you in the next video.